It really is that easy. So why do we struggle to manifest money? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. My channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join the MK Magic Mindset community. In my experience, the number one thing that every single person on this entire planet wants to manifest is money. Let's be honest. Money is important. Money sustains us. Money gives us freedom. Money allows us to support our family. Money allows us to travel, to eat. There are a lot of reasons why money is important. And because money is so important, that is why so many people want to manifest more of it or don't have enough of it. So today's video is all about tapping into the energy of money. And once you learn how to do this, I promise you, you will be able to manifest money whenever you want or need. But trust me, you won't want to or need to anymore, because once you learn how to tap into the energy of money, money just flows to you easily and effortlessly. Say it with me. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Leave me a comment below if you want to affirm it even more. But once you figure out how to tap into this energy, it truly will flow easily and effortlessly. So everybody has a relationship to money. They have beliefs about money. They have feelings about money. You have a relationship to money, whether you realize it or not. And a lot of these relationships are just complicated. And they don't really need to be. Most of the time, this relationship that you have is actually blocking you from being able to manifest money into your life effortlessly and easily, like I said. So I work with a lot of people that want to manifest money, but most of the time I find that these people are coming out of desperation or fear or resistance or struggle or lack. They're either afraid to check their bank account, worried about rent, worried about paying their bills, worried about where their next check's going to come from. They're living paycheck to paycheck. They don't come from money. They don't understand how money works. They don't respect money. They will sometimes have money and then they just spend it and then they're back to square one. So what I find with money is that if you're doing any of those things, your relationship with money is struggling a little bit. And it doesn't have to be that way. Because you see, the more you focus on not having enough or feeling like you need it or want it, the more you are just pushing it away from you. Because in the law of attraction, like attracts like. If you have feelings of already having something, then you can get more of it. But if you're having any feelings of worry or fear or lack, you're going to continue to get worry, fear, or lack. So let's get that cleared up really quickly. Just because your relationship with money is not great right now, it doesn't mean that you can't quickly shift it and tap into the energy of money. So let's jump into what the energy of money is and how to tap into it. But before I do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. The best way I can describe the energy of money is ease and flow. It's not forcing or fear. Most people are coming from the place of forcing or fear because they're demanding to the universe that they need money. They're forcing it. They need to be by midnight tonight, or they're afraid that they can't pay their rent, or they're afraid that they can't pay their bills. That is forcing and fear. And I find a lot of people are coming from that place without even realizing it. Whenever you're putting out to the universe that you want something and you're putting a deadline on it and you're feeling any bit of anxious or like looking out for it or being too, being too amped on it, that is forcing and fear. When you can put a deadline out to the universe that you desire money by a certain time and you just feel happy and excited that it's going to come and in this nice, flowy, easy state, you are a million more times likely to be able to attract that money. Money is ease and flow. The easier you let it be and the more you let it flow to you, the easier that you can bring money into your life. Your relationship with money is deeply rooted into your belief system. Your beliefs are just thoughts you continue to think over and over again. But you've been thinking about money and experiencing money since you were a child, whether it was through your parents, whether it was through your grandparents, whether it was through your siblings, whether it was through your experiences. You've always had thoughts about money and programming about money, and it's created these deep-rooted beliefs about money. But the best news is that you can change those beliefs. You can choose a new path. You can choose to tap into the energy of money and let it be easier. Let me give you a quick example when I say that the energy of money is ease and flow. So I have this pretty amazing money meditation that I'm going to talk about called the Money Accelerator. Right now it's up in my Create Members Only platform membership. So if you want access to it, I'll leave a link down below. But this Money Accelerator has been giving people insane results. The Money Accelerator meditation, I guide you into a meditative state, and then we go into this vortex of money. And when you're in this vortex of money, you realize that you are surrounded by your own personal vortex of money that you can tap into whenever you need. So if you think of it that way, if you think about your daily life, that you have a relationship with money. So what if your relationship with money is that money is literally surrounding you in your personal vortex at all times, and you could tap into it whenever you needed it? You wouldn't be worried about money, you wouldn't be fearful about money, you wouldn't be forcing money, because you wouldn't have to. It would already be a part of your money vortex. The money vortex is a really, really powerful symbol because a vortex is this swirling energy force. And when you visualize money just constantly being around you and being a part of you, you can kind of tap into that ease and flow. So when you decide that you're going to tap into this ease and flow, all you need to do is release your resistance around all of the thoughts and feelings and opinions and beliefs you have around money right now, and just decide right now that it's going to be easy and flowy and effortless. It's a choice. You can choose how you want to see money. Choosing ease and flow is so much nicer than forcing and being fearful. So examine where you're at when it comes to your relationship with money. Do you find yourself forcing and being afraid? Or can you tap into that ease and flow? The next time you have any thoughts that come up about money, any feelings that come up about money, any deadlines that you need money by, any bills that you get that you didn't expect, anytime you have any kind of money thoughts or beliefs come up, just examine them and think, is this force and fear? Or is this ease and flow? And if it's force and fear, how can you get to ease and flow? And if it's ease and flow, great, keep going. That is where you want to be. You want to be in a place that money is just a part of you. It's just a part of your daily life. It supports you, it provides from you, gives you everything you need. Make that your relationship with money. Have a good relationship with money, and you'll have more of it. Anytime you're coming from force or fear, you are preventing it from coming into your life, which is not what you want to do. And once you tap into that ease and flow of money, you can relax, take a sigh of relief, feel a little bit lighter and brighter and happier and provided for. And it puts you in such a better state than being in fear and anxious and trying to force money to come to you. So choose ease and flow. I promise you, it feels better and it works. I also have a really powerful technique that if you haven't tried it already, I'll leave a link up here and a link down below, but it's a powerful formula on how to manifest money in 24 hours or less, and people have shared insane results. So it truly, honestly works, I promise you. So check out that link if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And be sure to check out my Instagram at MKMagicMindset, and I will see you in the next one.